In this video we break down the top 5 best 3D printer under 500 you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is ANYCUBIC M7 Pro 14K Resin 3D printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro 14K Resin 3D printer has garnered attention in the 3D printing community for its high-resolution capabilities and advanced features. Here's a comprehensive review based on expert analyses and user experiences. The Photon Mono M7 Pro stands out with its 14K monochrome LCD screen, 13,320 by 5,120 pixels, delivering an impressive XI resolution of 16.8 by 24.8 m. This high resolution ensures that intricate details are captured with precision, making it ideal for applications like miniatures, jewelry, and detailed prototypes. With a 14K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 13,312 x 5,120 and 16.8 by 24.8 m XI resolution, the Photon Mono M7 Pro is capable of printing holes as small as 0.3 mm in diameter, which is more than enough to handle fine printing tasks and make your model stand out. The dynamic temperature control maintains optimal resin temperatures, enhancing print reliability, especially in cooler environments. Features factory-level build plates and an automatic resin refill system, reducing manual interventions. The Cobb light source system, combined with Fresnel lenses and front-facing reflectors, can reach the light angle within 3 degrees, and light uniformity is more than 90%. Our second best 3D printer under 500 is FLASHFORGE 5M Pro 3D printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro is a compact, enclosed-core XI 3D printer designed for users seeking high-speed printing with minimal setup. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro is a high-performance, fully enclosed-core XI 3D printer designed to deliver ultra-fast, reliable, and safe 3D printing straight out of the box. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or professional, the 5M Pro offers the perfect balance of speed, quality, and user-friendly features, all packed into a sleek and compact design. It boasts a range of features aimed at both beginners and experienced hobbyists. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro offers a compelling package for those seeking a high-speed, user-friendly 3D printing experience. 32 cubic millimeters per second large flow hot end, and the nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius within 35 seconds, saving you valuable time. Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer will achieve impeccable print quality between speed and intricate details. Its features cater to both novices and seasoned users. However, potential buyers should be aware of the reported software and hardware issues that may arise over time. Number 3 in our list is Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact yet powerful FDM 3D printer designed to deliver high-speed, multicolor printing with exceptional precision. Ideal for hobbyists, educators, and professionals, it combines advanced features with user-friendly operation, making it a standout choice in its class. The A1 Mini combo includes the AMS light, enabling seamless 4-color printing. This system simplifies multi-material prints, allowing for creative and functional designs without manual filament changes. Built with a steel and extruded aluminum chassis, the A1 Mini features full metal linear rails and bearings, providing stability and durability for high-speed printing. The all-metal hot end and hardened steel extruder gears ensure longevity and reliability. Unlock your creativity with vibrant and multicolored 3D prints. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printers make multicolor printing accessible and reliable for everyone, bringing your designs to life in stunning detail. Note: AMS light required. Get A1 Mini combo or buy AMS light separately. Say goodbye to manual calibration hassles. Fourth recommendation in our side is ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a high-performance FDM 3D printer designed to deliver exceptional print quality, reliability, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or professional, this printer offers a seamless and efficient printing experience. The new direct drive extruder is made of SUS 303 high-quality stainless steel with a 3:1 reduction ratio and stronger extrusion force for smoother filament feeding and more stable and accurate printing, which greatly reduces nozzle clogging and under-extrusion issues. Printing effect is better than Bowden extruder. The nozzle kit contains a TC4 titanium alloy throat pipe, an aluminum alloy flat heat sink structure, and a brass nozzle. The widened aluminum heat sink paired with the front close-fitting efficient cooling fan for a better heat dissipation effect and lower the temperature of the throat pipe, thereby reducing the possibility of nozzle clogging. Auto bed leveling adopts a high-precision sensor to automatically scan 36, 6x6, points of the hotbed and collect data in real time, and then adjust the Z-axis height to compensate for any irregularities and unevenness of the printing platform, only applicable to metal printing platforms. The printer will auto-pause when the filament runs out or breaks, and you can resume printing after a power outage. Last in our top 5 best 3D printer under 500 list is Creality Hi 3D printer. The Creality Hi is a high-performance FDM 3D printer designed to deliver rapid, multicolor printing with precision and ease. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or professional, the Creality Hi offers a blend of speed, versatility, and user-friendly features. Creality Hi is 95% pre-assembled. You can get it going in just 8 minutes after tightening only 7 screws and some wiring. A strain gauge in the toolhead auto-probes the bed for an accurate leveling mesh. 2 independently motorized lead screws adjust the x-axis to the horizontal position. This auto-leveling function saves your time and leveling process without any trouble. A simple quick guide that covers all necessary software setups and first-time calibrations. Even a beginner can nail it. The Creality Hi stands out as a high-speed, multicolor 3D printer that delivers on performance and ease of use. Its robust construction and advanced features make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. However, potential buyers should consider the additional investment required for multicolor printing and the limitations of its closed ecosystem. Hi 3D printer equips all metal extruder gears, which are wear-resistant and long-lasting. Durable filament cutter can be magnetically pulled back into position after cutting. An integrated nozzle that is clog-free and allows quick swap. Also a built-in filament runout sensor in the extruder. The usage of filament is now monitored more closely and precisely for runout or breakage.